Okay, today we're going to go over adding and subtracting positive and negative fractions. Right to it. We have a positive 5/18 minus a 1/3. Bring this closer a little bit. Okay. All right. So first thing you want to do is label. So you have a positive here and a negative there. And make sure that you can hear me. I have to bring this thing up a little bit more closer. Okay. All right, you should be good now. Okay. Positive and a negative, they're different signs. So you can write different there to remind yourself. You will subtract, okay, and the greatest absolute value is going to determine your sign. So with that said, let's go ahead and get the subtracting. I like to write my fractions vertically whenever I'm adding or subtracting. So 5/18 there, 1/3 there. Remember, you are subtracting. Okay, so you got to find first the different denominators. You need to find your least common denominator, and you'll notice that that's 18. So you want to set everything up to 18. This is probably better if I get there. We go. Okay, 18 there, 18 there. 3 times 6 gives you 18. So times 6 there, it's going to give you 6 times 1 times 1 for that. 5 times 1 is 5. Notice at this point right here that this fraction has the greatest absolute value. And if we go back to 1/3, we know that that one was negative. I want to put a little pin to remind myself and circle it that after I subtract, my answer will be negative. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract these with the greater absolute value fraction on top. And 6 and 5 would be 1/18 negative. Okay, that will be your answer for that one. Okay, let me scoot this thing over a little bit. Just bear with me. Okay, cool. Okay, we got another one here. Notice that this one is a negative. This one also is negative because of this sign here. So we're going to put a negative and a negative. Same sign means you add and keep the sign. So once again, we're going to write it vertically. And remember, we're adding these because they were the same sign. 2/5, 1/3. Find your common denominator. That's 3 and 5. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. 5, 10, 15. 15 is shared. 15 there. 15 there. 3 times 5 gives you 15. So now you need to do times 5 there. 1 times 5 is 5. 5 times 3 is 15. So times 3. 2 times 3 is 6. And remember, we're adding, but remember, we are keeping the sign. So we know my answer is going to be negative. So 6/15 and 5/15 added together will be an 11/15. But because they were the same signs, it's going to be negative. Remember, same signs add and keep. The sign, different signs subtract, and the greatest absolute value will determine your sign.